That's probably because the people over there are healthy enough that they can do that and nobody complains. Not like the United States where life expectancy is declining. Anyway, so here's the music theory lesson of the day, right? If ever you have a song, say we're in F sharp, I guess, because I hate myself on piano. F sharp. Or no, let's do A flat. Okay, say somewhere in there, the example I just used, I just touched on a bit when I'm about to talk about here, but that's okay. So if we have a song, say we're in A flat, you want to go to a 5, that's too crunchy for you, that's a dominant 7, it's E flat 7, right? You can start by taking out the 7, and if that's still too fruity for you, it's a little bit too bi-curious, what you can do is you can suspend the 3rd in either direction. So instead of an E flat 7 or just an E flat major triad, you have an E flat sus4 or sus2. And so if I go 1, 4, 5, this is what that sounds like. So this will be sus4. You can even resolve it down if you want to. This is what the sus2 sounds like in context. It's kind of a piano thing, right? Now that's another thing, you don't have to do that just on the 5 as well. So I gave this chord progression at the beginning here. How did it go? Really, it's kind of in D flat. We're actually going 5, 4, 1. We're sticking with the A flat tonic, right? So 1, 7, 4. Say you want to do something like this where you go flat 6, flat 7, 1. Again, if the regular quality chords are too bi-curious for you, you know, too fruity or whatever, you can suspend them. So usually in this example I like to do on the F flat chord, it's really an E chord, I suspend the 3rd down. So instead of that, we move the G sharp to an F sharp. Really, I'm playing octaves in life, so do the same thing on the F sharp. Just keep in mind, though, that when you get to the 7 chord here and you get to the G flat sus2, the 2 is the same as your tonic for the next chord, the tonic of the key, right? You can also use just sus4, you know. But I feel like that gives you too many notes that are outside the key, because if you do sus4 on the flat 6, it's 1 above your original tonic, right? And if you do sus4 on the flat 7, it's actually a minor 3rd. So yeah, that's something that you can try in your everyday songwriting, using the suspensions in that way to avoid the fruitiness of the major thirds, like the regular kind of, because sus chords are nebulous. So if somebody goes like this, or probably this instead. That's C7 sus4. You know, nobody knows if this is supposed to be C minor or if it's supposed to be major.
relaxed. Sit. Put your butt down. Put your butt down.
Right.
Oh, that one's getting big.
So, yeah, that's basically something you can do, and have fun with that. You can also use it on, I guess, if you wanted to do secondary dominance. Here, let's also talk about that as well. And I'm going to go back to the key of C here because it's easy. So if you got like a chord progression like this, you know, we go 1, 4, second inversion, 1, maybe we go E7 to A minor. So it's 5 of 6 to 6. In this case, it doesn't really work that well because you kind of need it to be that major chord, so it has the pull to go to the next. It properly tonicizes the A minor, right? But you can like use a suspension as to like add extra tension. Right, work it in there. Bach did that all the time. You know what else you can do? That in particular works really well when you have like a say you wanted to go right. You can suspend the dominant. Right, what we did there is I used a 5 of 5 to get to the G chord, so I would use I did that 1 to 4 minor back to 1, and then I went D7 to G. You can suspend the D7, the D7 as well. You know, you can. You know, these are all very basic things, you know, but. You gotta find it for the first time somewhere, right? So yeah, you can use those tricks and try to improve your songwriting there too if you want.